What is up, YouTube? In today's Tech Quickie, we're going to go over how to stream vertically on Twitch. I received a total of 0 comments on my last video asking how to stream in vertical on Twitch, so you know what that means. I'm going to make an unnecessary video for you to watch. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your OBS Studio, and you want to head over here to your settings, and in settings you want to click on Stream, and you want to scroll down to this section right here, and you want to make sure that you have enabled Enhanced Broadcasting. In order to unlock the additional canvas, which is seen here, you must have Enhanced Broadcasting on. Enhanced Broadcasting is offered to all Twitch partners and affiliates now, as long as you have OBS updated to the newest version. Once you've enabled Enhanced Broadcasting, make sure you have your Aitum Vertical layout selected as your additional canvas. If you don't know how to install Aitum Vertical, there will be another video showing you how to fully install that, so make sure you subscribe and like the video. And just like that, you are now streaming the vertical canvas that you would normally see on TikTok or IG Reels to Twitch. Congratulations. If you like this video or you have any other suggestions, drop some comments, smash the like button, and think about subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.